Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Our lesson today is relate inches and feet and yards. Our objective is to find the relation between inches and feet and yards and also convert between them. Convert between them. First, let's see the relation between these measurements. Look at this picture. This ruler which equals 1 foot, which equals 1 foot, is the same as a lot of rulers in our homes. If your ruler is with two measurements, you will find that one of them is with centimeters and the other with inches and the other with inches. If your ruler is 30 centimeter ruler, you will find that it has 12 inches. 12 inches. So, the first rule that we understand now is that 1 foot equals 12 inches. Have you ever seen any football match before? Any football match before? If you saw a football match before, I'm sure you noticed that when a free kick rewarded for any player, the referee asked the other team players to be away from the ball, from the ball, like that, for a determined distance. He counts it by himself, and you will find him move, but not at the same as his original move. He makes a distance between his leg and the other one. Yes, he wants his movement to be 1 yard, to be 1 yard, to count 10 yards between the ball and the other team players. Why did he make this distance between his legs? Because he wanted to make it as 3 feet, which equals 1 yard. And this is the second rule. 3 feet equals 1 yard. Now we will write our rules. The first rule is that 12 inches equals 1 foot, and the other rule is 3 feet equals 1 yard. Now go to your book, page 671. Open your book, page 671. You will find some pictures of some objects in our class, our room, our home. If you have an inch ruler, you can measure these objects in your house. But if you haven't, you can imagine or estimate its length. I will estimate also with you. When I measured my objects, I found these results. I found this table, for example, about 3 feet, and this door about 24 inches. Identify the other space. Why? It's for you, my hero. It's your turn. If this table length, if this table length is 3 feet, so it will be how many inches? How many inches? Let's count it. By using our rules, we know that 12 inches, 12, sorry for that, 12 inches equals 1 foot. 12 inches equals 1 foot. So I want to count 3 feet, not 1 foot. But I know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So 3 feet will be how many? Will be 12 plus 12 plus 12, which equals, yes, 36. So 3 feet equals 36 inches, and 36 inches equals 3 feet. Now, if the door length is 24 inches, 24 inches, so it will be how many feet? How many feet? Also, by using our rules, we know that know that 12 inches, 12 inches equals 1 foot. So our problem now is to find how many 12s in 24. How many 12s in 24? To know how many feet in 24 inches. Yes, exactly. 24 equals what? 12 plus 12. So 24 has two 12s. So 24 inches is the same as 2 feet. Now go to page 672. We want to measure these objects with our ruler or estimate them. So I found that this office about 9 feet, about 9 feet, and this board about 2 yards, about 2 yards. Yes, exactly this space for you now. This office is 9 feet length. So how many yards in 9 feet? Our rule is that 3 feet equal 1 yard. 3 feet equal 1 yard. So how many threes in 9? How many threes in 9? 9 equals how many threes? 3 plus 3 will be what? Yes, will be 6 plus another 3, so it will be 9. Yes, exactly. It has 3 threes. So 9 feet equals how many yards? Yes, equals 3 yards. Also, I found that this board is about 2 yards. About 2 yards. So I want to convert from yard to feet. So how many feet? How many feet in 2 yards? How many feet in 2 yards? Our rule is the same rule that 3 feet equals 1 yard. So our problem is to find how many feet in 2 yards. We know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So 2 yards equals how many feet? Yes, equals 3 plus 3 because it is 2 yards. So it will be how many feet? Yes, it will be 6 feet. Now go to page 674. Question 9. First, read the question. First, read the question. Sheldon's scooter is 3 feet long. Sage's scooter is 38 inches long. Whose scooter is longer? To compare between two lengths, you have to make them with the same measuring unit. So we will convert 3 feet to be in inches. We will convert 3 feet to be in inches. How many inches in 3 feet? How many inches in 3 feet? Yes, we have a rule. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So 3 feet equals 12 plus 12 plus 12 will be 36. So Sheldon's scooter is 36 inches long. 36 inches long. So whose scooter is longer? Yes. The answer is Sage. Now, question 10. First, read the question. The low diving board is 8 feet long. The high diving board is 4 yards long. How many feet longer is the high diving board? As we said before, to compare between two lengths, you have to make them with the same measuring unit. So, we will convert 4 yards to be in feet. How many feet in 4 yards? We know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So 4 yards equals how many feet? 4 yards will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 is 12. So 4 yards equals 12 feet. 12 feet. So how many feet longer is the high diving board? We will subtract 8 from 12. 8 from 12, which equals 12 minus 8 is what? Yes, it's 4. We have finished our lesson. Thanks very much. and hope to see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.